The impact of AI across different sectors. Artificial intelligence is transforming the world around us, driving innovation, and reshaping industries. Let's explore how AI is revolutionizing different sectors. Section 1. Healthcare. In healthcare, AI helps diagnose diseases faster and more accurately. It powers imaging tools to detect early signs of diseases, assists doctors with predictive analytics, and even aids in drug discovery. AI-enabled robots are also providing support in surgeries, making procedures less invasive and more precise. Section 2. Finance. Finance has seen a huge transformation with AI. Algorithms analyze vast amounts of data in seconds, helping investors make informed decisions. AI also powers fraud detection in banking, monitors transactions in real time, and personalizes customer experiences in financial services. Section 3. Retail and e-commerce. Visual, an online shopping interface, AI-driven product recommendations, and robots in warehouses. AI is shaping retail and e-commerce by creating personalized shopping experiences. It analyzes customer behavior to recommend products, optimizes inventory in real time, and even powers automation in warehouses with robots that handle everything from packing to shipping. Section 4. Education. In education, AI customizes learning to suit individual students' needs. It assists teachers by grading assignments, provides interactive tutoring, and can even detect learning gaps, ensuring that every student receives the attention they need. Section 5. Transportation. AI is paving the way for autonomous vehicles and drones, reducing human error and increasing safety. Smart traffic systems powered by AI help manage congestion, while AI-driven logistics optimize delivery routes to reduce fuel consumption and costs. Section 6. Agriculture. In agriculture, AI aids in precision farming. It analyzes soil quality, monitors crop health, and predicts harvests. AI-driven machinery automates planting, watering, and harvesting, ensuring higher yields and efficient resource usage. AI's impact spans every sector, making processes faster, smarter, and more efficient. As AI technology advances, its potential to improve our world grows. We're just at the beginning of this incredible journey with AI. Stay tuned on Commerce Hub for more insights into AI's impact across industries and others. Don't forget to like and subscribe for the latest updates.